In this video, I will show you photo manipulation in Photoshop. Let's start this tutorial. Create new document, size 2000 by 2350 pixels. Go to File menu, select Place Embedded. Insert background image. All images in description. You can download it. Adjust image according document. Insert watermelon image. Adjust size accordingly. Select first layer and right-click for rasterize layer. Select rectangular marquee tool, select object and right-click and select layer via cut. Follow the process. Select second layer and duplicate the layer. Ctrl J. Hide third layer. And select watermelon image. Choose image menu. Select adjustments. Desaturate. Select blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl L to levels. Follow the process. And mask the layer. Unhide watermelon layer. Mask the layer. Choose brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black and follow the steps. Unhide glass layer, like this. Select watermelon layer. Select brush, foreground color is black. Choose mask layer. Insert second image, go to File menu, Place Embedded and insert. Adjust size accordingly and remove background. Follow the process. Copy this image. Ctrl J and adjust the image accordingly. Select both layer and convert to smart objects. Select watermelon slice layer and insert water image. Adjust size. Select watermelon mask layer control and click the mouse and mask water image layer. Press Ctrl I to inverse. Choose Magic Wand tool and follow the process. Insert new layer and clipping mask to watermelon image. Choose blending mode overlay and follow the process. That's it. Final insert fish image. Select background image and create new layer for shadow. Choose brush tool, select soft brush. Follow the process. That's it, final result. Thanks for watching this video.